Hello students, now let us look at the next sum. We have to find the HCF and LCM of 510 and 92, and we have to prove that HCF into LCM is product of two numbers, means HCF into LCM should be equal to 510 into 92. What is the step? First you will do the prime factorization of 510. So 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 5s are, so 255. Next 3 8s are 24, 5 17s are 17 1s are, so 510 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Okay. Next is your 92. So 2 46 are, 2 23s are 23 1s are, so 92 can be written as 2 square into 23. Now what you will do, you will write same prime numbers below each other. So I have 2 and I have written 2 over here, it is 2 square. 3 5 17, there is nothing common, and then I will write 23. This arrangement is important so that while finding the common factors it becomes easy. That's the whole purpose. Now for HCF, what is the formula for HCF? First you have to look at the number which is common to everybody. So only 2 is the number which is common to everybody, so you will not look at any other number. Now out of these two, you have to select the smaller power. The smaller power is 1, 2 raised to 1. So your HCF will be only 2 raised to 1. What will be your HCF? 2 raised to 1, that is 2. What is your LCM? For LCM, you have to look at the common factors, and in those common factors, you have to select the bigger power. So I will select 2 square, and then you have to select all the uncommon numbers also, uncommon factors also. So basically in LCM, you will be selecting all the prime factors, and whichever prime factors are common, amongst them you will be selecting the highest power. For HCF, you will be selecting only the numbers which are common. You will not select the uncommon numbers. Okay. So at LCM will be among these two, it is common. You will select the higher power, that is 2 square, and then 3, 5, 17 and 23. When you multiply all of them, you get 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. So what is your HCF? 2. What is your LCM? 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Now we have to verify the formula. HCF into LCM. What will be HCF into LCM? HCF is 2. LCM is 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. So HCF into LCM is 2 into 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. So that becomes 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. And what is the product of two numbers? It is 510 into 92. What is 510 into 92? It is 46920. So see, both the sides are same. So therefore, HCF into LCM is product of two numbers, which is verified. Okay, please note down this sum. Let us look at the next sum, 336 and 54. So we have to find the HCF and LCM of 336 and 54, and we have to prove that HCF into LCM is the product of these two numbers. So let us do the prime factorization of 336, 2, 168, 2, 84, 2, 42, 2, 21, 3, 7, 7 ones are 7. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 336 is 2 power 4, multiply by 3, multiply by 7. Okay. Next is 54, 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 54 is 2 into 3 cube. Now how will I write? 336 is 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7, and 54 is 2 into 3 power 3. Correct. Now I have to select, for HCM, I have to select the common factors. So this is common and this is common. Common factor means the prime factor which belongs to both the numbers. Or if there are 3 numbers, then it belongs to all the 3 numbers. Okay. And again remember one thing, this formula is applicable only for 2 numbers. It is not applicable for 3 numbers. So now, what will be the HCF? HCF is product of common factors, and so it will be, you will have to select from 2. This is common. Now which number you will select, 2 raised to 1 or 2 raised to 4? For HCF, you will select the smaller. So it will be 2 raised to 1 and 3 raised to 3. Again amongst them you will select the smaller, so 3. So HCF is 2 into 3, which is 6. For LCM, you have to select common as well as uncommon factors, and among common factor, you have to select the bigger power. So out of 2 raised to 4 and 2, you will select 2 raised to 4. Among 3 and 3 raised to 3, you will select 3 raised to 3, and remaining uncommon factor is 7. So it will be 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3 into 7. 16 into 27 into 7. Answer is 3024. So what is my HCF? HCF is 6 and LCM is 3024. Now HCF into LCM. What will be HCF into LCM? It will be 6 multiplied by 3024. So it comes out to be 18144. Correct? And what is product of two numbers? It is 336 into 54. So 18144. Both the sides are equal. Hence HCF into LCM is product of two numbers. Okay, please note down. Hello friends. Now let us look at sum number 3. We are given three numbers and we have to find the HCF and LCM of the three numbers. So now we will first do the prime factorization of 12, 15 and 21. 12 is 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. 15 is 3 5s are, 5 1s are. And 21 is 3 7s are, 7 1s are. So again I will write it in the format 12 is equal to 2 square into 3, 15 is equal to 3 into 5 and 21 is equal to 3 into 7. I will write all the common prime factors or same prime factors below each other. This way it becomes easier to find the common factors. Now what will be the HCF? HCF I have to identify the factor which is common to all three of them. Which is it? 3. And I have to select the smallest power. So 1 because everywhere it is 1. So HCF is 3. For LCM what I have to do? I have to select the common factor largest. Here largest is also 1. So 3 multiplied by whichever is the uncommon factors, I have to select the highest power of that. So I will select 2 square, 5 and 7. When I multiply all of them, I will get 420. Okay. Also for this, always remember the formula which was there, HCF into LCM is product of two numbers, is not applicable over here. HCF into LCM will not be equal to 12 into 15 into 21. It is only applicable for two numbers. Next is 17, 23 and 29. So prime factorization, 17 being a prime number, it will be 17 only. 23 will be 23 only. 29 will be 29 only. Correct? So what is HCF common between all of them? So nothing is common, so you can say 1 is common. You can always write 17 as 17 into 1, 23 as 23 into 1 and 29 as 29 into 1. So 1 is factor is common. So 1 factor is common, so HCF is your 1. And what will be your LCM? Uncommon factors, 17 into 23 into 29 and that answer is 11339. Okay, please note down this sum. Hello students. Now let us look at the third sum. We have to find the HCF and LCM of 8, 9 and 25. So let us first do the prime factorization of 8. What is prime factors of 8? 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 8 is 2 raised to 3. 9 is 3 into 3. So 3 raised to 2. And 25 is 5 raised to 2. So what is the HCF? HCF is the common factor. There is nothing common amongst them. So HCF will be 1. What about LCM? LCM will be common factors multiplied by highest power of the common factors and the uncommon factors. Let us look at the third sum now. We have to find the HCF and LCM of 8, 9 and 25. So now prime factorization of 8, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Prime factorization of 9, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. And prime factorization of 25, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So what is your 8? 8 is 2 raised to 3. 9 is 3 raised to 2. 25 is 5 raised to 2. What is the HCF? It is the common factors. There is no number which is common amongst them. So your HCF is equal to 1. LCM will be highest power of the common factors. There is no common factor and multiplied by other factors as well or uncommon factors as well. So whichever factor you are taking, you have to take the highest power. Here you have only 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 2. 8 into 9 into 25. So answer will be 1800. Please note down. Now let us look at question number 4 of exercise 1.2. What is given? That the HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. We have to find the LCM of the two numbers. Now we know the formula. What is the formula? For two numbers, HCF into LCM is the product of two numbers. Proper? So you have HCF into LCM is product of two numbers. Your HCF is 9 multiplied by LCM is 306 into 657. So LCM is 306 into 657 divided by 9. When you divide by 9, 9 ones are 9 threes are 27, and remainder is 3. 9 fours are 36. 34 multiplied by 657. You get answer as 22338. So this is your LCM. Okay, please note down.